Part 1, the new Excel interface. Gone are the days of file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, window, and help. That whole menu system is gone, and we now have something called the ribbon. I'll show you how to find your way around the ribbon, and we'll take a look at how to add your favorite icons to the quick access toolbar. I'll show you how to get the elusive mini bar to show up, and using live preview. Well, let's get started.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live Lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.